Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Comfort Inn Bellefontaine. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Comfort Inn Hotel is located off US Highway 68, close to the Mad River Mountain Ski Area, Indian Lake and Honda of America Manufacturing, Inc. East Liberty Auto Plant. It is near popular area attractions like the Ohio Caverns, Piatt Castles and Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. The Port Columbus International Airport is about 1 hour from the hotel. Cherokee Hills Golf Club, Liberty Hills Golf Club and Tree Links Golf Course are all within 10 miles. There are many bass fishing tournaments located 5 miles away. Local restaurants and cocktail lounges include Tumbleweed, Wingers Sports Bar and Grill and the Fountain. There is a family-style restaurant adjacent to the hotel, and the on-site cocktail lounge has a pool table and dartboard. This hotel features amenities like free hot breakfast, free wireless high-speed internet access, free weekday newspaper, exercise room and a seasonal outdoor heated pool. Business travelers can access the copy and fax machines and meeting facilities that can accommodate up to 75 people. King rooms feature large work areas, microwaves, refrigerators and whirlpool bathtubs. The hotel offers attractive guest rooms and suites that include coffee makers, hair dryers, irons and ironing boards. Non-smoking rooms are also available. Pets are welcome with a small nightly fee. Guest laundry facilities are located on the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.